In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wave.video text to video. By the end, you'll know how to upload a clip, open it in the editor, add text onto your video, and customize that text so it looks clean and professional. First, head to the My Projects area in your Wave.video account. This is your central dashboard where all your media and projects live. It's a good idea to have your video file ready and saved locally in a common format like MP4. If you're working with larger files, a stable connection will help the upload and processing go smoothly. Next, choose Upload Video. You can select a file from your computer and confirm the upload. Keep the browser tab open while the file transfers and processes. If you see a thumbnail appear in your project's grid, that means the video is ready to use. Giving your file a clear name can help you find it quickly later. Click your uploaded video to open its details. You'll see a preview and options related to that file. From here, select Edit Video. This launches the editor, where you'll have the canvas in the center, a timeline along the bottom, and tools around the edges. Take a second to let everything load, especially if your video is long or high resolution. Open the text panel in the editor. This is where you'll manage all text elements for your video. Then choose Add New Text. A placeholder text box will appear on your canvas. Click into it and type the words you want. This could be a title, a caption, or a call to action. Now it's time to customize your text. Drag the text box to place it in a spot that doesn't cover important visuals. Use the handles to resize it and pick a font and weight that match your brand or the tone of your video. For readability, aim for high contrast, light text on dark areas or dark text on light areas. If your background is busy, consider adding a subtle shadow or a semi-transparent shape behind the text to keep it legible. Adjust color, size, and alignment so the text feels balanced on screen. On the timeline, set when the text appears and disappears by dragging its edges to match the moment you want it to show. If you're adding multiple captions, copy and paste the text layer, then update the words and timings for each moment. Simple fade or slide-in animations can add polish, but keep them consistent so they don't distract from your message. Give everything a quick preview to ensure the timing, placement, and styling look right. That's all you need to start using text effectively in Wave.video.